Hi all, this is Mrs. Pavitravanshi, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology. So I'm here to present a video a lecture series on the BDA, that is a business data analysis, with which includes the research process methodology, everything which is a practical paper with the theory included with the research. Yes. So here the next is, now we are going to see about the introduction, that is about the what is business research, the definition, okay, next the objective, the nature and the scope of business research. So in this video we are going to see about the introduction of. So let us see a decision making scenario. So now, assume for a moment that you are the manager of a large full service restaurant. You are expecting something significant turnover in your waiter or waitress pool. And for a long time, customers have been commenting that the friendly atmosphere that has historically drawn them to your door is changing. So now, what is the purpose? What will you do? Or where will you begin trying to solve this problem? So this is actually a scenario what the when you assume something like you are a moment that is you are a manager, so you are giving a full service restaurant. Yes, you have been given with a full service large full service restaurant. So you are expecting a significant turnover, but the comment or the feedback from the customers that they've given it is the friendly atmosphere that has historically drawn them to your door is changing. So now what will you do? So in the first case, can we suggest some of the feedbacks which is taken by the customers, which is taken from the customers, and rectify it? That is the first point. Yes. Next, a survey can be done from the customer's point of view and with the restaurant's point of view, that is the manager's our side, so that we can rectify some corrections or some magnificence can be done, which can be executed in the process like that. The thing, so where will you begin in trying to solve this problem? So where is the current situation we will be trying it to solve? The exact situation we will try it only with the customer's point. So only when we try to get the feedback from the customers, we will know what is the purpose, what is the feedback, what are the disadvantages, or what are the problem we are facing, they are facing, so that we can rectify the historically drawn, that is the friendly manner. So once the feedback is given, for example, if the feedback is like the customer service is been not given properly, or there has been the waiter may be not in a friendly manner, so in that case we might change the waiter or the waitress, and there are some quite solutions can be given it. So this can be done only through a basic research methodology, where we can do some favorism to the customers, and we can increase the profit of the business, or we can increase the experience which has been uh, significantly turnover for the restaurant. So in this case, so these are the things what we will do and we can do, or where will we begin in trying to solve this problem. But in case this is the main purpose, so only when you assume something with a large perspective, we will know what is going to happen and what should not happen. In this case, there are two things. So in the customer's point of view as well as in the restaurant point of view. So this can be done where people can change over with different situations, and this can be done with the larger point. Yes. So this can be easily being taken over by the waiter or the waitress pool, and the long time customers have been commenting that the friendly atmosphere has been historically done up. But if this is being resolved, we can naturally we can raise up the turnover or increase the turnover of the business. The waiter or waitress be in a friendly manner with the customers, so that it can change the customer's view, it can change the customer's perspectives, it can change the person, new customers getting in. So these are the ways where things can be done with the solution. But the first main perspective or the main thing we have to do is to collect the feedback from the customers, and we have to take along a survey properly with respect to the customers. This is slightly a decision making scenario. So in this type we have to do the research process or the research type. Yes, so we'll continue with the next scenario in the next video. Thank you.